There you go. So now you can see there are two different desktops running here. Just as you can see, I'm running the same video. I'm running the same video on all the three devices. This is the streaming quality. The same video which was loaded on the server. That's your iMac video. It's been played on all three desktops. And that is the frame rate that we play at. It is 30 frames per second, which is considered to be one of best quality of playback on remote computers. I can show you audio on one device. This is the headphone. Yeah, I just kept the server right up there, so it becomes easier. So now the video is being played at different instances. I have started that video earlier. This was the second video, and there was a third video that I played. So now the same video is being played at different instances. The same thing can happen with 30 users, and this would not affect the playback of the system. We also have another feature here. Let me show that to you. We have a feature here where you can make the screen transparent. You can make the screen transparent. You can still do your work. Like for example,
the latest advancement is to use LED backlight systems. LED technology has the advantage of coming on full brightness the moment you turn it on, and it has uniform brightness across the entire screen. The new iMac also features IPS technology. That's a very premium class display technology. What you get out of that is very good color consistency and very good display performance, and you get that at every angle. Part of the promise of the all-in-one design is simplicity. Of course, it makes sense to offer a wireless keyboard and mouse, and now we're including it as a standard feature of the new iMac. When you first see the mouse, it could not be any simpler. But I love the way that it scales from being something that is that apparently simple to actually being really remarkably sophisticated. I mean, we finally figured out how to take the multi-touch technology and implement it on a mouse.
I'll just take you back to the server.
When you click mouse, but now the entire top surface of the mouse is basically a multi-touch sensor. This is the smartest mouse we've ever made.
Now, for example, I will just show you, say for example, an application. Let's take iTunes. Right here. open my iTunes right here. I guess this is the first time I'm trying iTunes, so it is asking me to install the system. So for applications which do not respond like this, it would reinstall itself right there. So every desktop would need to be installing as a user. So that's how the device is configured. So as a user, if you want to use a particular feature, you need to just double click and it will install itself and give you access to that particular application. Yeah. So this is how basically the setup works, and to just give you an idea about how the box looks like, this is how you shut down the system. Disconnect. As you can see here, every time a user is disconnected, it would show you that a particular user has disconnected. That's user 1 is disconnected. That's user 1 that's getting disconnected. I shall just give you yeah. So this is the device, like we named it the Edu PC. It has your MAC IDs printed. It has a power switch. It has a adapter, RJ45 port, 2 USB ports in the back, 1 VGA. This holes you can ignore this because this we had kept them for development. That is for RCA and HDMI, which we do not provide right now. This is the audio out and mic in. The front again also has 2 USBs, so you can use one for a keyboard, one for a mouse, and the rest are 2 spare for a USB device or like a USB drive or something. Or you can just use one Bluetooth connection which can support a USB keyboard mouse combo. So this is the size of the device. If you can see, it's not very big. It's small. It's a small one. That's the size of it. That's a regular card. That's the size of the card. So I hope this video should give you an idea about the whole architecture and how the device works. So yeah, that's it. Do let me know if you need any more information. Thanks.